Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and you want to click on the menu button, or these three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you want to scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. So now just go ahead and click on Settings and click on Personal Information. And once you've done that, you want to click on Manage Account and click Deactivate. So now you just need to enter your password and you can just go ahead and deactivate your account. So once you've typed your password, Facebook account will give you a time to think about your action. So just go ahead and type it, and once you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on the deactivate account. So if you want to reactivate your account, just go ahead and log in your Facebook account from the application or anywhere you want. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.